What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your brake pads. It's a very simple job and you'll save money.
Lower your handbrake so that the brakes are not pressurizing fluid through the brake lines. Chock the wheels and remove the lug nuts from the appropriate wheel. Jack up the car into the air until the wheel is off the ground. Remove the wheel and place it underneath the vehicle for 2 points of safety. Turn the wheel to face you for ease of work. With a 14mm socket wrench, remove the 2 bolts on the back of the brake caliper. Place the caliper somewhere safe where the brake lines are not hanging. Remove the outer brake pad. Place the caliper back on and lightly tighten so you can slide it forward. Use a screwdriver to push the master cylinder back into its seating position. Remove the caliper once again to see the work you've done. Ensure the brake master cylinder is sitting in its seating position. Check your brake fluid levels at the same time. Remove the inner brake pad. Now remove the anti-rattle brake shims. Make sure to dust off these brake shims, as over the years they would have accumulated brake dust, and we are reusing these parts. Place the anti-rattle shims back into their mounting positions. From here, grab your new brake pads. Lightly add a small coat of copper anti-seize onto the back of the brake pads. Ensure you do not get any anti-seize copper grease onto the front or sides of the brake pads, as we do not want these parts to physically make contact with the disc. Do the same with the inner brake pad. Place the brake pad into its mounting position and ensure both brake pads are sitting flush against the disc. Place the caliper back onto the brake and lightly tighten. Now grab your 14mm socket wrench and tighten fully. Start the vehicle and pump the brake so that the master cylinder presses up against your new brake pads. Turn the wheel straight for ease of work. Place the wheel back onto the rotor and lightly tighten. Lower the car back onto the ground and then fully tighten. Job well done.